Today I have another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Lookfantastic. So this is the Lookfantastic January edition box. It is gorgeous. It is really such a beautiful box, except you might be able to tell it looks like I've been hacking at it. There's little marks there, little marks there. Oh, I used a knife to open up the box. So I've got a nice line looking all the way through Lookfantastic and some, I don't know what on earth I've done there. It looks like I prodded it. I don't know what I was doing. But no, so I've read the box. Never mind. But the box is still beautiful. It is really, really lovely. So if you're new to Lookfantastic, Lookfantastic is a beauty monthly subscription box. So Lookfantastic is a massive online beauty store, basically. They ship worldwide for free, and they've got a mix of everything you can think of. Beauty, skincare, makeup, nails, you name it, the lot. So they have brought out this beauty box now for a long while, but I've been subscribed since November, so I don't know what's inside here. As you may know, I don't like to see any spoilers. I like it to keep it as much of a surprise as possible, because that's the fun of unboxing it with you. I opt for the monthly subscription, which costs £15, and it means I can cancel any time, but you can go for the 3-month, 6th month, and I think a 12-month subscription, and the cost comes down. So I think, for instance, if you went for the 12-month subscription, that would cost you roughly, it would be £13 a month, so you have £2 reduced, which is good. So inside you do have about 6 items in here, and it can range from skincare and makeup, sometimes tools maybe, I'm not too sure, but yeah, you get the drift, the general beauty subscription box contents type of thing. But you do get a mix of full size and sample size. Let's open it. So inside every box you get a magazine. So this is Elle magazine. It's a complimentary copy for Lookfantastic subscribers, but it would cost you, I think it's £4.30. I think it's crossed off anyway. So there's a nice little magazine there. There's also a quote in here, and this one says ataraxia, and it tells you how to pronounce it. Ataraxia, I've never heard of it. The definition is a state of serene calmness, ongoing freedom from worry. Oh, that'd be lovely. So that's the quote there. So this is how it comes all packaged. It is lovely in package, and it's got a little sticker here. So that's what's inside. So I'll put this down to the side of me because I don't want to have a look, and I'll pull each one out and show you, and then have a little bit of a read, because there's information in this booklet. So each box comes with a little booklet, and it is nice. It's like a mini magazine again. It also gives you a sneak peek. I always read these, I always see them, but they go out my mind. So I can't even remember what was a sneak peek for the box we've got here. See? Never mind. Your exclusive sneak peek this month is Caudalie Vinosource SOS Serum. The best way to stay on top of the hottest beauty trends and experience the best and beauty brands have to offer. And this is a 10ml, so it's a little sample size there, serum. Ooh, it would be so nice to have a full-size serum because I fall in love with lots of serums, and they generally cost me a ton. But by the time you use it, you know, 10ml isn't enough really. It's enough to get an idea, but not enough to really see what your skin is like with it. Now, normally, this box is the very, very first one to come out. It normally comes out within the first day or two of the month. Yeah, this time it didn't happen. After a few days, the sub-box community, shall I say, we started to notice that some people had received their boxes, but there's a lot of us that hadn't. On YouTube, there was 2 of my YouTube buddies. It's me, Jake and Makeup, and Pink Poodle 2. They received their boxes, and no one else seemed to receive them. We hadn't had any communication, no emails, nothing to say where our boxes were. Some people had money taken out of their account, like me, I did right at the start of the month. And some people their money hadn't even been taken out yet. So there was a lot of talks on social media, on Facebook groups and everything. You know, some people had the box and a lot of people didn't. So I messaged Lookfantastic a couple of days ago, and I said, you know, I'm just wondering where the box was. You know, you took the money out a couple of weeks ago, and you normally get the box pretty soon, and it's one of the first boxes to come out. I was just wondering if there's a problem, because I know some people have had their boxes and there's a heck of a lot that haven't. The reply was that there's a delay in sending some of the products out, and it should be with you shortly. So I received it just this morning. So yeah, so a bit odd, a bit odd. It's not like Lookfantastic at all. Anyway, that's my rant over. Let's see what the first product is. It's a Mono Spa. It's a warming ginger bath and body oil, and it's for all skin types, and this is a 40ml a bottle. That's what it looks like there. I've had a few Mono Spa items, but I've never had this. I'm not that keen on ginger to eat, but oh, actually it does smell quite nice. I thought it would be a heck of a lot stronger, and I was sort of like, ooh, but no, it is quite nice. It is quite nice. So this, I'm assuming it's a little sample size. So yeah, not bad first product, not bad at all. So it's a bath and body oil. So one thing that Lookfantastic don't do is they add their prices. So you don't necessarily know if it's a full size and you don't know the price of it. But as with all my videos, if you click on the show more tab underneath my video, it'll bring up the description. So you might start to see like a few lines of me describing the video, but underneath all that we'll have a full list of all the items that are in this video and a link to them. So if you want to take a look, if you're interested in seeing what the cost was and everything like that, as well as I have got a refer a friend code that entitles you to, I believe it's either £5 off your first box or 20% off your first box, but that'll all be linked down below as well, so go and take a look if you fancy. But so this one, it just says that it's spa experience in the comfort of your own house. This body oil has an all-natural and clean formulation with a mixture of ginger, lemongrass and orange. Uplifting and awakening, it is the perfect body oil to use in the morning. It's a Balance Me, and it's a congested skin serum. I've had this loads of times. Loads and loads of times. Different boxes. I don't think I've had it in a Lookfantastic. It's a 7ml little sample, and it says an on-the-spot soothing gel designed to diminish blemishes and calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. Soothe a small amount of gel directly onto spots, blemishes or all over skin prone to breakouts. I don't have spots anymore. I'm on mega strong medication, so I don't have any acne at all. So no. Yeah, I will give that in a giveaway, in my next giveaway, because I've got one running at the moment, but the one after that. So what does it say here? It's just above the Mono Spa. So it says it's a lightweight serum that will make your skin look flawless, especially good on combination skin. It will get rid of all your imperfections and will keep your skin hydrated and glowy. Canuka oil is a good natural antimicrobial and antibacterial that will clear congestions, while eucalyptus will calm any redness and inflammations. So no, so quite a nice product for some people, but for me personally, not very good. So that's my second. So my third is, ooh, it's a makeup product. What is this? It's a Model Co 3D Lash Primer. Oh yeah, it's white. There. So it reminds me very much of, do you remember the, well, it's ancient now, but they still sell it. It's the Bourjois, and it's the black and white one. It's one side is white, which is the primer, which is like this, and the other one is the one with the mascara on. Can't remember the name of it now, but yeah, it used to be amazing. I used to love it. I don't know why I stopped using it, but it reminds me of that. So this is the little primer. I'm excited about this actually. I'm excited because my eyelashes are non-existent. I have tried a primer before, didn't think much of it, but it's a 3D primer. So I don't know, let's see what the information says. So the information in the booklet says that if you don't have an eyelash primer in your makeup routine yet, then this will revolutionise your mascara application. In addition to conditioning and volumizing, it allows your mascara to stay put all day. It will also maintain the curve and even enhance by giving some more thickness to your lashes. And how to use: apply it before mascara. Don't be afraid it will look white, but once you apply mascara on top, you will discover thick and voluminous lashes. So no, really happy with that. I love a makeup item anyway, but no, really happy to try that. That's my third item. It's another skincare. So this is Espa, and this is a Natural Beauty Inner Calm, and it's pink hair and scalp mud. Wow. Intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. I'm assuming this is a sample because it's quite small. It's a 30ml, and it says an intensive mineral rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth and scalp nourished. Ooh, that's what that looks like. I could do with more of these actually, because my hair's not very good at the moment. Well, it hasn't got a sealy thing on, which I don't like, But let's take a look. Let's have a little bit out. It's definitely pink. It's definitely pink. I'm not sure if it'll pick up on the camera. It's a pale pink. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells of lemongrass. Yeah, it smells really nice and fresh. Really nice and fresh. So I can imagine my scalp tingling and, yeah, feeling really refreshed and, yeah, nice. I don't know about my hair, but no, I'm really happy to try that. So the information says, give your hair some love and try this intensive treatment. This lovely rose paste will condition and nourish your hair and scalp. Always up for a multitasker. Its clean formulation is full of goodness for you and minerals and is enriched with vitamin C, has red clay and apricot kennel oil. All those ingredients to make your hair look fabulous and scalp feel hydrated. Oh, there's no mention of lemon. It smells a bit like lemongrass. But no. No, okay, nice, nice. Thoughts so far. I think we've all got samples so far. No full size, I'm not sure. But yeah, not too bad. I'm looking forward to trying the mask. So what is this? So this is my 5th item, I believe. And this is an Laszlo. And it's a New York light controlling lotion. Light. And it's a controlling lotion. Not for individual sales, so this is actually a freebie. Naughty Naughty Lookfantastic. And this is 15 ml. Oh, what on earth is it? So that's what it looks like. Let's have a sniff. Yeah, it's not full properly, but... Whoa, it smells like perming lotion. What on earth is that? It smells like really yuck perfume. Oh, that's horrible. It is like old-fashioned perming lotion. I trained as a hairdresser like 20 odd years and that has brought me right back there. But really disgusting perfume as well. What the heck is it? Laszlo. Laszlo. It's probably worth about £100. But I don't know. Oh, there's a few. Okay. So the other ones, I've got light controlling lotion, there's white marble essence lotion, and there's Hydrophil skin supplement lotion. So I got the light controlling. So it says, a skincare regime without a toning step would be like cleaning your teeth without toothpaste. A bit useless, really. This is why your beauty box team selected the best toners on the market. A selection of 3 toners from the skincare specialist, Laszlo. They work on all skin types, so don't you worry. No matter which one you receive, you'll be able to use, even if you have sensitive skin. So the one I have got is for... It's for acne, oily skin with enlarged pores. This toner will gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells while soothing and calming irritations. The Hydrophil Skin Supplement one is for dry, sensitive and mature skin. And then the White Marble Essence is for dark spots, dull and hyperpigmented skin. So yeah, I think I would have preferred that one really, because I've got a few dark spots coming underneath my eyes and stuff. And the other one, it sounds as if it's for really dry skin. So nothing really for normal, a normal combination of normal dry skin. So I got the one for acne. Now I can't remember, do I fill in a personal profile on the Lookfantastic website? I'm not sure. I know some subscription boxes that you do. I know Glossy Boxes started bringing that out, so you fill in like your hair colour, your eye colour, your skin tone, all that stuff. If they don't, then that's fair enough. But if they do, they've got me completely wrong, haven't they? With the serum and this lotion. It's not for my skin type. Never mind. Last item is another skincare product. Oh, where's the makeup? Where's the makeup? It is. Oh, it's Cause though. I do love Cause. Cause brand is gorgeous. It's White Tea Fluids Gel Cleanser. So again, it's a little sample. So they're all, I think they're all samples. I think they are. Yeah, they must be. So this is a 16 ml little sample size. So I do love Cause. But in all honesty, I don't find gel cleansers that exciting. They're handy, they're useful, I use them. But not really. They're not the type of thing I'd spend lots of money on. I might, you know, I look for a pH balanced one, I look for a natural nice one and everything, but they don't excite me. So this did have a sealy thing on, so I'll just put this on my hand just to see what it's like. So it's like very much like a honey consistency, quite thick, and it foams up a little bit and The smell is gorgeous. The smell is really lovely. I really like that. Oh, it is nice. The smell is lovely, lovely. So, enjoy your morning wash with this gel cleanser that won't dry out sensitive skin and will leave your skin refreshed and clean, ready for the rest of your skincare routine. The contents are 88.3% natural and its main ingredient is white tea extract, a natural antioxidant protection and toner for your skin. So that sounds wonderful actually. It does sound really good. So I will use it. So I can't add up the total, but I will do. I will find out on the Lookfantastic website all these items and I'll link them down below as I said, but I'll find out how much they all are, and if they're full size I will put in brackets full size, or if they're sample I'll put sample so that you know. So these are all the so these are all the items in this month's box. So we have got 6 items, 5 are skincare and 1 is I would class as makeup, so it's an eyelash primer. And yeah, my thoughts are a bit underwhelmed. I am a bit underwhelmed. I can see now from what people were saying that a lot of people have said that they weren't that excited with this month's box, but everyone is different, so I did keep an open mind, and there is a few things I do like. You know, this lash primer I can't wait to try. I've heard of it but I haven't tried it, and this, you know, the gel cleanser doesn't excite me, but the smell is nice and I do like the brand, so I will use it definitely. And yeah, the pink hair and scalp mud, I'll do a video, or I'll put it on Instagram, and the smell is gorgeous, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it does to my scalp but also my hair. And yeah, the ginger warming bath oil, okay, ginger's not my favourite thing but it's alright. So yeah, and these 2 things, as I said, I can't use them because I got not acne anymore. Well, if I came off the medication I would, but I'm not. Full stop. So those are the 6 items. So what's your thoughts? If you get Lookfantastic, was yours late or did you get yours on time? So yeah, no, I'd be interested to see what your thoughts were. But thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you were to subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway, an international giveaway going at the moment, which I'll link at the end of this video, and it finishes on the 9th of February, so we've got a good few weeks left, so please enter that. So thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.